Hello everybody. So I made a reckless decision recently, and Tarte had a sale on, and we're selling their mystery pack parcels for like £45, and I have no money right now, so it was a very reckless decision. But yes, so I thought I'd just show you what I got in my mystery bag, and this is kind of like a first impressions video of using all the products that I got in my little mystery bag thing, which I also got. So I also got a little bag, so it says never not busy, which is the truth of a final year university student. So yes, very excited to get stuck in. So before I start, I will show you the products I got. So yes, I got the little sample size of the Stay Spray. I usually use Urban Decay's all nighter setting spray, so I'll be intrigued to see how this one compares. I also got the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I'm kind of particular about mascaras just because I have very long lashes, so I'm intrigued to see how well this one will work. I got the Tarte lip paint. Very excited about this one, and it's in the shade Front Row, so it's like a dark kind of pinky nudie reddy colour, one of my favourite lip colours, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to love this. There is this eyeliner, which is the kitten eyeliner, and it's got a little kitten at the top. So yeah, that's very exciting. I actually need a new eyeliner, so also be happy. And most excitingly, I got the Reinforce the Sea Volume 2. Is it Volume 2? Reinforce the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palettes, which I've actually wanted forever, and it is so beautiful. Yeah, I'm very excited to try this. I have the Tartelette in Bloom, so I'm hoping that this is also good. It's got really pretty colours, so very excited. So without further ado, let's get stuck right into this. Okay, so now that I've done my standard face, I'm going to move on to actually using my new product, which is the whole point of this video. So I'm going to start with my eyeshadow, and I'm using the Reinforce the Sea Volume 2 palette, and I'm really excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. So I think I'm going to start by using the shade Conch, which is this one here at the top. I'm just going to use, I might just use the mirror in here because there's a mirror in here just so I can look. I'm going to use this on my lid just to And now I'm going to change to using Sunset, which is a shimmery gold colour, which I'm just going to start adding to the outer part of my eye. Ooh, it's very nice and shimmery. mean, this is really nice just as is, but I'm just gonna switch it up a bit and use Marina, which is the brown right beside it, so just these top three. And I'm just gonna apply it to my outer corner. Just to add a little bit more definition. Very happy with that. I'm just going to use the same one just to line my eye a little bit underneath. There's not a lot of like colour payoff, it's not very like bold, but I really like neutral colours, so I'm excited. I think it looks really nice. You probably can't actually tell though because it's so light, but I really like that. I think that's really good. Most excited. Next I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, which has a kitten on top, so I'm already excited. I'm not good at doing eyeliner on camera, so I will catch you back here once I've applied this. Okay, big win. Big fan of this eyeliner. Yeah, it just went on really nicely, really smooth and really easy to control, which is always a positive when using liquid eyeliner pens. So yes, very big recommend to this. For my mascara, not on the mascara, actually before I do my mascara, I'm going to set this because I always like to set my face before I do my mascara. Usually I do it before I do my eyeliner, but I really forgot I had to do this. So yes, we're going to set my face using this Stay Spray. And I always do this before mascara because mascara usually runs after if I spray my face after. So not like a mist. I was expecting it to be more misty. It came out very like liquidy. And again, really can't comment on this until after it's been on my face all day. But yeah, it came out kind of liquidy, which I guess because I'm used to using All Nighter, which is kind of more of a spray. I wasn't really expecting it to be so like liquidy, but it smells really good, so that's positive. Mascara. This is Lights Camera Lashes. It's like a narrow wand, which is interesting. Just gonna get my it's nice. It's very lengthening, but I have very long lashes anyway, so I don't really need like a lengthening mascara because I prefer volume. But it does a good job. It defines. I have very blonde eyelashes, but I also have very long eyelashes. So like, it's been difficult to find good mascara. It's been this one. It's not clumpy, which is very nice. That's the mascara. I think I like it. I think it's nicer on my bottom lashes than my top lashes. But yeah, no, it's really nice actually. It's lengthening as opposed to volumizing, which I kind of don't need because I have very long lashes anyway. So I mean, it's definitely not bad. So that's a win. So I'm just going to moisturise my lips a bit with a lip balm just before I put on my my Tarte lip paint in the shade Front Row, which again I mentioned I'm very excited for because I think I'm gonna love this colour. So I actually swatched this yesterday on my hand, and I've like had a shower and I've washed my hands like multiple times since then, and it's still there, so that's a solid long lasting colour payoff I guess. Good applicator. Oil applicator. It's definitely my colour. I think that's helpful. I don't really wear the lipsticks that often. I don't really wear liquid lipsticks that often, and I know I should definitely probably be wearing a lip liner with this, but I don't have one with me. So, but yeah, no, I really like this. I think it's a really nice colour. It goes on really nicely. It's really easy to apply. Yeah. So that is my whole face complete. I hope you like the finished look. I think I like it. I think it looks good. So yes, thank you for watching, and hopefully this video has maybe inspired you to pick up some products. I've linked everything that I used in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. I've also linked my socials, and feel free to like, comment and subscribe and all that stuff, and I will try and actually upload more to this channel.